No one remembers your name.
It's lucky we got it, man. We might not survive, isn't it? It's nice. It's so cold.
We're boiling.
Neither of you are bothered with each other. Oh, come on.
Too much grass.
You want to come say hello to us? Ah, what have you done?
They eat too much grass.
I don't think too much grass does that here, does it?
Yeah.
Sheep haven't got anything in the bucket. Poor dabs. We're following the edge of the marsh today. We're going to end up going somewhere in the trees down there. Bit of a beachy camp. Go on, point the camp. So we're heading out to the distant bird hide. There's 2 islands out there. I don't know if the water will surround them all, but we'll find out tonight. Oh, I'm with Sarah, by the way. Give us a wave. Yeah. Have we done wild camping before?
No.
Oh, first time. There you go. See if she survives that now. I'll try. Try and keep her safe.
Pyramids and stuff like that. Our ancient temples.
This is our island. I think we've selected. There's a bird hide there. And the sea is actually coming in. Let's go and check it out. I wonder how far in it's going to come. Look, it's coming up here now. No, you don't want to drink that. The tide is coming in quick. You can see all this grass is quite salty. This is going to get covered now. We'll keep an eye on this. You can see all the way around. It shows you what birds to look for as well. Yeah, floor is it's not great. Look at that. Don't know how much longer it's going to be here. It's cool though. Engine oil. What, like gin and tonic?
You might have to help.
Can you do it with the nails? No. Don't break out now.
Yeah, you do it.
Taste review test.
Gin and tonic.
Not engine oil flavour. Sarah's off gathering some rocks for the fire pit. I'm collecting some wood. Don't think anyone's done this out here for a long time because there's loads of sticks everywhere. There's a bit of a fire pit here, but obviously it's a little bit closer, I think. Right, something a bit different. We're going to start it off with the pine cones. Now I have got some rubbish. What I'm going to try and do now is just light it, just using the fat wood. There's a lighter on the fat wood instead of the cardboard. We'll see. So I just found this fat wood in the root of an old tree there. Pine trees are brilliant for it.
And especially if you find like a dead stump and the rest of the tree is rotted away, you know that's going to be absolutely saturated with fat wood. This was just a random root that died off the tree.
These two sheep over here have been giving us stink eye for ages. I think this is their island. And now look, they've called it gang. They're going to come sort us out. You found us. Right, the flies are coming out, so the jungle formula's coming out. Alright, tonight we're doing lamb, balti, pilau rice, onions, tomatoes, olive oil, some lamb breads, and Bob's your uncle. No one remembers your name. So we've got fat wood. Hopefully don't need that. Look at that, straight up. It's weird stuff, isn't it? Full of resin.
Mm-hmm. Did you put your resiny stuff there?
Yeah, that's the
What started it?
fat wood in the centre.
There's got a bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you found your first fat wood.
Hey!
Sorry. Burning ferociously already, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It's got deep.
Fill the heat up it with them pine cones catch it. It's lucky we got it, man. We might not survive, isn't it? It's nice. It's so cold.
Yeah. I'm boiling.
I know, I'm joking. What have we found? A bird's nest as well. Look.
Got the horsehair in it.
Oh, cool. Perfectly made.
Isn't that perfect?
Yeah. Well, you want it, do you? You don't want this. The lamb, onions and tomatoes are done. Balti's going on. And this stuff from Home Bargains, it's really good. It's only cheap as well. It's like 80p or something. Banging. Right, we're done. Couple of naan breads with it. Back in the bird hide. Get a good view of the sheep there, like. Looks like they all like to sleep on this little platform there. What an awesome place, mind. We camp just in these trees. There's no way you can tell anyone's there. I mean, there's even a smoky fire in there, but I can't see anything, look. Right, the morning brew is on. Tide is way out again. It's been bizarre this morning because there's been someone on like a tannoy system. I think they're right across the bay somewhere. But it was like 7 o'clock sharp this morning. It was bizarre. So this is part of the tidal marsh. So we've had plenty of animal friends. The water doesn't often come over the grass, but here anyway. You can see it's very salty, so it does in the highest tides. Yeah, this is the sort of grass now that gets submerged all the time. I'm surprised it can survive actually. We've got all sorts of succulents growing in it. Is that samphire? That's lemongrass. That's edible. Wait for it to get a bit bigger so you can identify it properly. Yeah, I think that's called samphire. You can eat that as well. This is another cool one. It's been a bit decimated around Wales because it turns into a really nice blue flower. It's called a sea holly. And people pick it all the time because they're so pretty. There's a view of our island. Not really an island, mine. Didn't get surrounded. We were hoping to. There's a bank all the way across so you can get out even when it's really high tide. What do we think is the maximum points for snapping one of these then? That's a dumpy. That's still not very good. Oh, look at that. That's a good one.
That's a good sound.
There we go. Left us found. Cleaned the fireplace up so it's gone. Let's get out of here. Here's our campsite look. We've had visitors. Probably just ignored them. We're getting some shade. They don't want to move. Alright, thanks for watching our camp out. Shout out to these dudes. Catch you again soon.